In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add pages in Google Sites. The process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so you have your main site area here in the main window. Then you can see on the right hand side, you have a couple of options here: insert, pages, and themes. You want to click on the pages option, and then that'll give you a list of all your different pages. So currently I have those 4 pages. To add a new page, simply just click on this plus icon, and then that'll bring up this window. It says new page. I can give this a name, so I'll call it test page. Once you've done that, click on done, and there you can see you have your test page, and you can move it around to wherever you would like it on your website. And that's basically the process. If you want to add another one, just click on new page again, give it a name, and then click on done. So test page 2, click on done, and there you go. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.